Toyota has unveiled the 2022 Toyota Aqua Hybrid Hatchback, a hybrid vehicle that has been completely redesigned from platform to drivetrain to deliver the most energy-efficient car. The 2022 Toyota Aqua Hybrid Hatchback will be based on the platform dubbed TNGA B platform, which he says will make it 20% more energy efficient along with a one-pedal system or what Toyota offers. It is called comfort pedal that when we lift the accelerator, the car will slow down without having to touch the brakes and will charge back into the battery as well. The car will be available with two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Aqua Hybrid is equipped with a nickel hydrogen battery system that has twice as much power output as the previous model, enabling longer travel on electricity without the use of conventional fuel. Toyota has reduced the number of parts used for the nickel hydrogen battery to increase its capacity. The latest model claims to return a mileage of nearly 36 km per liter when driven on petrol. The new Aqua stands at 4050 mm in length, 1695 mm in width, 1485 mm in height, and has a wheelbase of 2600 mm. Compared to the previous Aqua, the overall length and width remain same, but the overall height has gone up by 30 mm, while the wheelbase has also been extended by 50 mm. The extension of this wheelbase means more space for luggage and passengers at the rear seats. One of the major features of the new Aqua is the parking assist system that only requires the driver to press a button to park. The first time it has been installed in a non-luxury Toyota car. The new Aqua is powered by an inline 3-cylinder DOHC 1.5-litre M15A FXE dynamic force engine. It is capable of generating maximum output of 91 PS and a peak torque of 120 Newton meters. This engine is combined with a THS2 hybrid system with a reduction mechanism.